Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will discuss another crucial part of GATE 2026 architecture syllabus, that is building construction and structural system. This section is very practical and often asked in form of diagrams, principle, and match the following type question. Let's break it down in simple terms. So this is the second part of explaining the architecture part syllabus, which have three distribution. First is history and contemporary architecture, building construction structure and structure systems. Third is building services and sustainability. So in my previous video, I have explained about history and contemporary architecture. In this video, we are going through building construction and structural system. This part includes building construction technique, methods, details. So you need to study how different building system works, prefabrication of building elements, modular coordination and construction planning with equipment. Then, then building materials. Next, we cover building material and their application. This include characteristics and use of different material, strength of material, alternative material like fly ash, bricks, bamboos, and stabilized mud block. Then structural systems. Then it comes with which is most technical part, foundation and structural elements with different materials, elastic and limit state design, principles of pre-stressing, high-rise and long span structures, gravity and lateral load resisting systems. Like in this section, we can expect these typical kind of question like what type of structural system is best suited for earthquake resistance, or what the main principle of pre-stress concrete. I will give you a breakdown to how to prepare for this section efficiently, like study basic construction methods from book by S.C. Rangwala. For structure, revise fundamental from strength of material and structural system, structure analysis basics. Make diagram and sketches, like many gate questions are based on diagrams. Practice past year gate question to identify frequently repeated concepts. Focus on high rise, long span, and prefabricated construction because these topics are frequently asked. So, this was the breakdown of building construction system in GATE 2026 AR part. If you want structured guidance, detailed notes, and classes with top mentors, you can join me at Safal Together, where I'm teaching the architecture syllabus with complete strategy. In the next video, I will take you through building services and sustainability, another high weightage topic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more GATE architecture preparation videos. Thank you so much.